Hello and welcome. Today we'll be looking at how to create an online course. Online course is one of the ways you can share your expertise and knowledge with others and make a good income. I've been selling my online course for close more than 10 years, and I have made good income from my online courses. Today I'll be sharing with you effective ways to create your online course. The beautiful thing about online course is that it can be in any format. It could be an ebook, a video. You can even use WhatsApp or a group to do your training. So it's once you have the knowledge you want to share, you need to just get the effective ways to create it that I will be sharing with you. So what are the effective ways I'll be sharing with you? Number one, choose a topic you know about. In creating a course, we want to look at what do I know. So it shouldn't be just be a topic you have read, you have not practiced, and you want to start selling to people, because we're seeing a situation where some people just read a book and they think they know a subject, or just read a manual and they think they know a subject. So the best is, even if you want to use a course from, you want to use a book or a course from someone, you want to do one thing, you want to practice. There's something called practice. Now I'll give you an example. Some years back I got a course from someone on how to sell, how to do online importation. So this is what people use as drop shipping now, where you right here where I am in Nigeria, and you're able to buy things overseas cheaper. Like those days we use AliExpress, and some other websites to make that purchase and bring to Nigeria and sell. So I actually now practiced it. What did I do? I went to the website, I bought laptops, I bought jewelries, I started selling those items using my social media to also still advertise and sell those items. Then after I have done that for like a month or two, I created a course step by step on how to do your online importation. So I didn't just buy that course and do nothing, just read and assume. It's just like swimming. A lot of people think it's just like swimming. You're making a mistake if you think that because you have read a book on swimming, you can swim. So you have not gone to the swimming pool, you have not practiced, you have not relaxed, and you just want to start swimming. Oh no. So you need to, if you even buy a course from someone and you want to use that, you need to have practice, you need to have your own experience, you need to have something you want to share. So you need to be actually very real. So when you have a topic you know well, something you have practiced that you know well, then you can think of, oh, I would like to show others this thing, I would like to guide others to do this using my experience. Then you have a topic. So you need to first of all choose a topic. What is that thing that you know so well that you want to teach others? So that's the first step in creating an online course. So my second step in creating an online course will be knowing your audience, knowing who your customers are. Who is that person that this course is meant for? You want to go study their pain points. You want to go study what will this course, why would they buy this course? Now, is this course something just jumping freely on YouTube? And if something is jumping freely on YouTube or on any other learning platform, does that mean that you can't sell it? No, you can, but you want to have the reason why they should buy from you. Now, one of the things I tell my clients to look at is, what is the transformation that your course is going to bring to your audience? So you want to highlight that transformation the course is going to bring to your audience. That would help you to really determine who your audience is. Who is this person that is going to benefit from your course? Where are they? So you want to look at your demography, their demography. You want to look at everything that you need to help you really determine, to really pin who your audience is, because it's very important. That would help you to know, oh, are my audience on Facebook? Which social media are they using? Where can I find them? You need to really identify your audience before you start creating your course. The third thing you need to do is to determine the learning objective. So that's where I spoke about the transformation that your course will bring. So what is the learning objective? What is it? What you need to now look at? Okay, now I know my audience. I know my topic, but what exactly are they going to benefit? It's something that we say from zero to hero. If my audience go through this course, my customer, my client, my student goes through the course, what is that person going to be? What is that person going to be able to achieve? Like on our platform, we have a platform called TLI Skills. We're still working on that platform at this time, so it will soon be launched. What we call learners is achievers. So you want to see what is that student going to achieve after going through my course. So you need to have your transformational statement, transformational signature idea, statement. What is that thing this person is going to benefit from my course? And why should this person even go through my course? Why should I be the one? You need to write that. You need to write that down and let it be clear. Okay guys, if you're learning already from this, if you think that this is giving you value already, please subscribe on the channel. Remember to like this video. It spurs me on to be able to do more for you, and click on the notification button so that when I post my next video, you'll be the first to get the video. So my number 4 for me will be creating your course outline. So using the learning objective that you have, your transformational statement, you want to write a course outline that will give you a general overview of what this is all about. So you need to solve what sequence, what is the sequential way I can produce this course? What is the sequential way my learner can learn? What is that thing? How do I go from step to step? So you need to create that course outline. Okay, so the number 5 point will be for you to now create your content. Now you have your audience, you have done your outline, if I have you a guide. So you need to now create your content. Your content could be in form of ebook. It could be in form of video. I use video most of the time now, and that's because it's a bit difficult, depending on where you upload it, for others to just download it. When you use ebook, it's different, so it's something that people can just easily share. Even video doesn't mean that people will not share. So when some people, I can buy a course now and share with my staff. In fact, if I buy a course now, I'll share with my staff. That's what I do basically. So someone can buy your course and share with his family members, but we're just looking at a point where your course just go everywhere. However, you can actually use groups like WhatsApp group, a Telegram group. These are for low-end courses, and as a course creator, you actually need to have different kind of courses. You need to have the low-end courses, you need to have the premium courses, you need to have, not putting in too much effort, you're not looking for where to go and host it. So you're just using maybe like a WhatsApp or a Facebook group to just do your course, or your Telegram. That happens. In fact, that's one of the easiest ways that a lot of us started. I have done that, as well. But you can also create ebook. Ebook is not so difficult. In one of our videos here, we're teaching you how to create ebook. Or you can actually use videos, because a lot of us use one of the days we'll also be teaching you different tools you can use for your online course. So one of them is using Camtasia. So if you have a system, you can have your courses, your content ready on your laptop or computer. All you need to use a Camtasia to video your course. And if your course is a practical one, all you need is a video person or a camera, and just do your practical training as well. So your course, creating your content is what you need at this stage. So number 6 is to choose your platform. Choose a platform you want to use to sell your course. There are so many platforms now. You can use Kajabi, you can use even Udemy. You can upload it on Udemy. You can upload it on Expert now. So you choose it. If you have a great course, you can decide. You can even put it on many platforms. So you need to decide the platform you want to use. For us in TLI, we are creating a website where you can also sell your course, and it's called TLI Skills. But we are still working on that website. In the next few months, it will be ready. I will definitely come back here to let you know that our website is ready for you. So TLI Skills is actually the name of the website where we want you, the course creator, to sell your course. So you need to determine the platform. You can have your course on many platforms. Of course, you can decide that you want to have your course on your own. Maybe you want to use your blog, to sell your course, you can decide to do that as well. I sell my course on my blog. I also use other platforms to sell my course. So you can determine to use all or determine to stay with one. And like I said before, you can actually use a group like a WhatsApp, Telegram to sell your course. You can have an ebook, and when people pay, you send them the ebook. Just get started. Get started is the name of the game. Number 7 is for you to promote your course. Now, when you have a course, don't just dump and assume that people will know about it. You need to promote your course. One of the things I do for me is I can create a free course that will link a free webinar that people can use to get to my course. But if you really want to start going to online course, I would advise that you start creating content. Create your content even long before you start your online courses. You need to have an audience. You need to have a community. In 21st century, one of the ways to get to be known is to have your own community, is to have your own audience. So for you to, anything you want to even sell online, you can start creating community. So even long before you create your online course, you can have your community, and you can start building your email list. Yeah, email list is also very important. In fact, no matter what you do on social media, you need to start guiding people to your email list, no matter what you do. And there's many other platforms, autoresponders that you can use for your email. We'll talk about that in another video. You need to start building an email list gradually. And we actually have communities. We actually have groups like the WhatsApp group, Telegram group. These are just things that can just help you still build or get people to your email. Now, for those of us in Nigeria, let's even assume that you don't want to talk about email. Even this is very important, but let's even assume that you want to start with phone. When it comes to WhatsApp, there is something, the way you can do autoresponder, where you can encourage people to first save your number so that they can be seeing what you put on your status. They can see what you put on your you can see what you put on your status. Then before you tell them to join your group. When it comes to group, many people can also leave group. We have too many groups, people are in too many groups, and they may not even see what you're doing, but people read their. So when you send them a broadcast, people read their emails, people get to read their messages. So if you send them a private WhatsApp message, they will see it. So you need to start building that. Then, so that's why content writing. So they say content is king in 21st century. Content is so important now. So you start with, engaging, and you start engaging your audience. Then you think of promoting, use of various ways to promote your course. When you have a course, you need to, even if your course is on a platform, like, if your course is a platform like on a platform like Udemy, they will still have tell you can promote and get people to buy. So that's why you need to have an affiliate link, depending on the platform you choose. If you choose TLI Skills, for instance, on our platform, what we are working on, you can actually be an expert, and you can also still be an affiliate. And as an affiliate, you can still use your affiliate link to promote your course. So once you write a course, it's a business. Course creation is a business. So just like what happens in every business, where you need to sell, to market, so you need to actually learn to promote, your courses. Even if it's on your blog, even if you're using WhatsApp, you still need to promote your course. So promotion is very important. If you're enjoying this course so far, please remember to subscribe on our channel. Please subscribe and click the notification button, and like this video. Now, I've given you 7 points, but I want to give you one more. The 8th one will be for you to engage your learner. So when people start buying your course, you give them room to be able to reach you, to ask questions. You need that engagement, because that is how the word will spread. When they know that you care, you are there to take their questions, you're there to help them, the word will spread fast about you. So you need to, some people, they just start a business, and maybe a lot of people bought their course, they think they're there, and the people that are learning from there are here. No, it's a symbiotic relationship. Somebody buys from you, and the person wants to learn from you. Even if you don't, you need to set the level. Oh, how do I make myself available for these people? Do I want to encourage them to join my Telegram group so that they can ask in any group? And if I'm not available, others can help. Do I want to encourage them to? Do I want them to send me an email so that I do it one-on-one? So you need to decide how this course I'm selling, the people that will buy this course, how do I want to be available to them? You need to decide that before you even start selling your course, because that is what will help you spread the word that you are there for your people. So we've given you 8 ways for you how you can create your course. I want to see you create course. I would like you to share with me on the comment, what are you working on? Well, when your course is ready, you can come back here and share with us about your course. I would like to hear from you actually. Then you need to continue to improve on yourself. Yes, you don't ever think you've gotten here, you've gotten to that state of play too, where you don't need to improve on yourself again. You need to continue to see what's happening, which platform can I use, what are the tools that will make me a better course creator. So you need to continue to improve on yourself. I want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you got value. If you got value, please remember to subscribe on this channel and click the notification button so that when I post a video, you'll be the first to get the video. Once again, thank you for watching and bye for now.